What's going on, everyone? Seth Miranda here, coming from the Halloween Special Effects Workshop. Adorama has cut my leash on Halloween, my holiday. So I have 6 sets going on. Let's go take a walk really quick. I shoot special effects makeup so much, this is really kind of like what I wanted to bring to Adorama. We don't get to see a lot of this, and Halloween's the time to do it. So I had to go big, right? What's bigger than a Mr. Softy ice cream truck? We're doing this because I wanted to create sets, but I also wanted to make them fast so we can do it in one day and break them down in one day. And if a car is a set, it literally rolls in, we light it, it rolls out, we're moving on. Over here we have a 1977 Cadillac hearse. I had to go really campy vintage. How are you gonna do Halloween and do cars and not do a hearse? I'm just saying, we have a really great drag artist that's gonna do a Bride of Frankenstein larger than life type look. Over here, this seems like the most boring setup, but this is actually my go-to setup for all special effects makeup. That's kind of an easy, fast way to just jump into it, get something and walk out. Over here, this one's really interesting. This is a New York City taxi cab where you're gonna be able to walk and sit inside the cab and interact with a character like a demonic, vampiric, uh-oh, I'm in the wrong cab, but he's got you now that you're in that cab type thing. Come on, we got more to go. So over here, we got what I call a dead glow setup. We're gonna be shooting right through these foil walls we got going on here, and it's gonna give a very eerie look. I'm talking like blown out highlight, broken silhouette, opened irises on the eyes, and some really interesting colors on all that metal grate. Over here, this one might be my favorite. This one's the one you can really play with. This is my car headlight setup. This is the traffic that I'm walking in, and then this is oncoming traffic with my key light, and then this is the traffic that already left with their tail lights lighting me. You have to think about the situations, the organic light, what would be there for real, and how would it be believable? And that's kind of what we built today. Over here, pure fun. Pure fun. I got ice cream, well, I got cotton candy, and I got popcorn. We got some really weird, awkward, off-putting type clowns that are gonna serve popcorn and cotton candy, but we lit it with Nan Light, one of our sponsors, because I wanted people to be able to shoot everything and not to like wait around. They can be active. There's always something to look at, shoot, keep their eyes open. These are characters that they're never gonna see again. The makeup gets removed, right? So we're getting the most we can out of it. And my makeup artist is probably one of my favorite ever. I've been shooting FX for 15 years, and she's still my #1 I call out.
It feels amazing to be with other photographers and videographers, and I am loving it. I did learn how to mix like makeup with the lighting, so that was very interesting to me. This workshop made me realize that, you know, I miss photography and shooting with everyone else.
One way or another, this layer has to go cold.
We're lighting up the different sets here. A large variety of our LED tube lights that have lots of different colors as well as conventional daylight, as well as some of our LED mono lights, either to be a color accent with the flash photography that I believe was provided mostly by Profoto. Cliff Hausner did a great job setting them up. And on a couple of sets, it's just our monolight LEDs with some of the LEDs for accent lights. Seth put a really great array of sets here, some really nice instruction going on, and a shout out to the talent. The makeup artists and the models are some of the best I've ever seen in this type of work. It's really impressive. I've been working with Adorama on and off since 2005, and they have a great team to work with, and we share their business vision. We want to grow the market through education, exposure, and training.
The more fog you have, the more that light's gonna be flying.
Seth is super knowledgeable, and I don't feel like in the brief amount of time here that I've learned enough to take Seth quality photos, but it definitely gives me an idea of where to go and how to get there.
We're here with some of our products. Our gels, which most people know us for, our gel filters, are in majority of the continuous lights as well as a few of the strobes. We also have our newest light, the DMG Dash. It's a 6-color pocket light that's working in the hearse.
Yeah, people fear the shadows. You just have to shape the shadow.
It is outstanding and absolutely amazing. I used to visit the Adorama in-store space all the time to sit down and do the demos and listen to everybody talk and learn more. Stuff like this is amazing. I look forward to the next one whenever it'll be, and I'll be there.
Look, here at Adorama, we go hard, and this is pure proof of it. So if you missed out on this one, don't forget to check out adorama.com/create no matter what for more create no matter what experiences like this. They've been doing this all the time, and they're going forward even more. So do not miss out on this, and I'll see you guys next time. Later. Thank you guys all for coming to this.